all I know is I'm in Shenzhen. That's all I know. I don't know anything else. And I just came into some mall. I'm kind of near the, I think it's called something of the world, cultures of the world or something like that. All this kind of European architecture and different stuff. And I kind of came into this mall. So I thought I would give it a little tour of it and see what it's called. I think it's maybe called Leisure Square, maybe. Or maybe Leisure Square is out that way. But, so I couldn't really tell you exactly where we are. There's different signs and there's a lot of stuff, but I think it's maybe kind of a typical Shenzhen mall. I think my understanding of the structure of it is it seems like there's a lot of these. And so, but anyways, what we're going to be doing is kind of giving a little tour of this random mall until I find out exactly which one I'm in, and then we'll define it more. So stay tuned for that. Well, if you want to come with me, you're going to have to jump in this hand right here, camera. Okay, so we're walking in a random Shenzhen mall. Nice shoe. Starbucks. I have no idea what it's called. I don't really have any. There's no Shenzhen shopping, but we do kind of have some kind of cool stuff. I might even go up and see what we can find. Shenzhen Shopping Festival Mall? Maybe. Let me just see. We'll just kind of walk. This would kind of give us some kind of clue right here. So this must be where we're at. Holiday Plaza. So I guess we're in Holiday Plaza. I did see that from the outside. So and this is not too far from the cultures of the world as well. So so yeah, it's a random shopping mall in Shenzhen. All 5 stories. And it looks like we got a lot of coffee shops. You can go outdoors to the cultures of the world. I think it's called Cultures of the World. The last Shenzhen video I did had that as a backdrop. And so yeah, this is basically called Holiday Plaza in Shenzhen, Holiday Plaza Mall. So that's what it is. And I guess we're gonna go out and then we're gonna go check it all out and go down this way. And then I think this way it has all the taxis go in and out as well. Yeah, so I got M stand, and there's actually other stuff over on that side. And yeah, this actually goes into the parking garage. So, okay, anyways. Okay, so we're on the outside of it, and that's the inside of the mall, right through there. And then we have this place you can sit outside as well. So that's basically it. So I think we're gonna end it with that. But yeah, actually it kind of reminds me of another one I saw too, which was also in Futian. So I think this might be a structure of the malls. Like there was kind of an indoor outdoor like this a little bit, kind of narrow, like they got a strip of land and did something really good with it, made it very productive. We got a big Lego thing and a Starbucks is over there, so we'll just send it right there. Okay, so I'm going to step away from this, and that's the outside of it. The western is over here. Then there's something called Happy Valley, which has a that is where all the Window of the World station, that's what it's called, Window of the World. So that's all over there, and the hop off buses are over there as well. Looks like we got some hop on hop off way over there as well. Okay, so called Holiday Cinema and Holiday Mall. So that's a Uniqlo. Okay, well, I thought I was leaving that area, but I'm still trying to come out of here. So we're actually going to go straight back to the other side of the street, so we have to go underground. I just kind of, I was at the hop on hop off buses in Shenzhen, and we kind of had a little detour to check this out as well. People talk on their phones so loud here that it's kind of funny. But I talk loud into the camera, so works out well. So we're gonna go all the way down to an exit spot, and then we're gonna try to come back up again. But a little bit more of this mall. It is. I thought it was just kind of narrow and like one little spot, right? But it actually goes all the way underground. There's a lot more to it. Just kind of spreads out all over the place. And now I'm back at this Wonder of the World station, and I'm gonna this goes out the other end and comes back up. So and it looks a bit busier. It's a Monday. I thought it was a holiday. It's a holiday in Macau. But now it's kind of busier, so it's not like the weekend crowd. So I don't know, maybe I'm lucky the timing that I came here. Anyways, if you're curious where this mall is at, it's the Window of the World station right there. We got lots of all right. Well, if you want to come with me, you're gonna have to jump in this hand right here, camera. Xi'an.